Hey guys, welcome to my humble workshop. So I'm pretty sure we all have the same problem. You're trying to edit a video, something for YouTube, or you want to do a big Excel sheet or something else, and the space on your monitors are always not enough. I had this monitor for quite a while now and I ordered myself something new. And today I got a special delivery and I got myself this. So we are going to replace this with this little fella here. So I give you guys a proper unboxing as always. And as you guys have seen, I have the new MacBook from 2016. And I'm pretty anxious about whether this bad boy is able to power the new MacBook or not. So I guess let's get to it and we'll see what's inside the box. Okay, so I guess this is the feet. We have an accessory box right here. Power cord. Display mount. This thing is huge. Stylish base mount, that's for sure. It even tells you on the ground in which way you need to move the screws to screw it in. Looks solid to me. So if I understand this correctly, I just need to push it in and it has to click in. So let's see how it works. Done. And here we go. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, look at the sheer size of the thing. Let's fire it up and let's see how it works out. Oh, and FYI, there is a bunch of cables in the accessory box and all are white, so matching the theme, I guess. And you have two HDMI ports at the back, two USB-A ports, one display port and one USB-C port, plus the headphone jack. So, decent amount of connectivity here. Ain't that a view for sore eyes? I mean, look at it! Before and after. This thing is so huge and can't wait to power it up. So the power button is in the middle of the stand right behind the LG logo. So let's check out whether it's able to power the new MacBook Pro. Alright, so moment of truth. Bam! Look at the size! Wow, this is incredible. So, as you could clearly hear from the charging sound from the MacBook, the LG panel is able to power the MacBook, but I'm not sure whether it's able to power it with the full amount. So the next time I'll render a movie or anything, I'll be sure whether the power is enough that is routed through the cable. So this is pretty much it for the unboxing with the LG 38UC99. If you have any questions whatsoever regarding the panel or the setup or something else, just post in the comments below. I'm happy to help you wherever I can. And if you liked today's episode, please give me a big thumbs up and help me to maintain all this stuff. I would love to see you guys next time, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel.